जय श्री राम। संत वाणी। राम काज कीन्हे बिनु मोहि कहाँ विश्राम। हनुमान जी told Mainaka, Mount Mainaka, Sundarakanda, when Mainaka requested Hanuman to take rest, Ram काज कीन्हे बिनु मोहि कहाँ विश्राम. Please repeat after me. राम काज कीन्हे बिनु मोहि कहाँ विश्राम. So that should be your motto. Never take rest. Like Modi, you see, sleeping only 4 hours, never taken any holiday, no vacation. His life is dedicated to serving the nation. So that's exactly what every Hindu should be doing. Otherwise, we will become an Islamic nation in maybe a few decades. Ram kaj कीन्हे बिनु मोहि कहाँ विश्राम. Teach Hanuman Chalisa, Bhagavad Gita. Join me and we will together research. All of us should do PhD in Bhagavad Gita and Hanuman Chalisa. Ram kaj कीन्हे बिनु मोहि कहाँ विश्राम. Ram kaj कीन्हे बिनु मोहि कहाँ विश्राम. So it's a rhetorical question. Next, this is one of my charts which I will be using for my talks. Santvani. I have compiled 20 verses. These are verses which I believe will make people think, very thought provoking, and perhaps most people will not be aware of many of them here. Next one. संत हृदय नवनीत समाना कहत कबिन पर कहे न जाना निज पर तप द्रवै नवनीता पर दुख द्रवै सो संत पुनीता. Tulsidas. He said, the heart of a sant is like butter. That's what great knowledgeable people, luminaries said. Though they said so, they don't really know. Butter melts by virtue of the internal heat inherent in it, whereas a sant's heart melts at the sight of the sorrow others suffer, which includes trees and animals too. So don't use the word saint, because the word saint is a criminal, Christian criminal, right? So anyway, I have already explained why. So always use the word sant. Okay, संत हृदय नवनीत समाना कहत कबिन पर कहे न जाना निज पर तप द्रवै नवनीता पर दुख द्रवै सो संत पुनीता. The next one. Kabir Kutta Ramaka. Now Kabir is a name of Allah, and Kabir means the greatest. Akbar means great, Kabir means the greatest. So you can tell all the Malechas that Kabir himself said this. Okay, I don't have to explain it any further. You can understand the satire here. Kabir Kutta Ramaka. Kabir is claiming that he is Ram's Kutta, Ram's pet dog. Kabir Kutta Ramaka, Motiya Mera Naam, Gale में राम की झेवड़ी, जित खींचे तित जाऊं. Very simple. Kabir says, I am Rama's Kutta and my name is Moti, and Rama's leash is around my neck, and wherever he tugs and lugs, there I go. Next, Kabir says, भजोरे भैया राम गोविंद हरि, जप तप साधन नहीं कुछ लागत, खर्चत नाही घटरी, संतत संपत सुख के कारण तासो भूल परी, कहत कबीर राम न जामुख तामुक धूल भरी. Kabir is condemning all those people who don't utter Ram Naam, who don't greet others with Ram Ram or Ram Naam, Jai Shri Ram, Ram Ram. Their mouths are full of dust, खाक से भरे हुए, तामुक धूल भरी. So next one. So you can hear the wailing in the background. See. Next, Kabir says, जब सब कुछ में एक खुदाई कहत है, जब सब कुछ में एक खुदाई कहत है, तो क्यों मुर्गी मारे? Why the hell are you eating murgi, killing murgi? No meat eating. Kabir is telling you clearly, stop eating meat. Okay, because that is murder, unprovoked murder. जब सब कुछ में एक खुदाई कहत है तो क्यों मुर्गी मारे? मुल्ला कहे न्याय खुदाई, मुल्ला कहे न्याय खुदाई, तेरे मन की बरम न जाए. So your delusion will not go away. Kabir is condemning. So that is Kabir's idiom. Next, जो पे रसना राम न कहिबो. Look at the language, look at the idiom, look at the aesthetics. जो पे रसना राम न कहिबो, उपजत बिनसत रोवत रहिबो. उपजत बिनसत रोवत रहिबो. The tongue that does not utter Ram Nam will, while waking, while sleeping, he will suffer and he will cry and weep and lament. So you are guaranteeing yourself misery if you don't utter Ram Nam. Next, number 8. Hari sam jag mahan vastu nahi. This is in the Guru Granth Sahib, uttered by Kabir. Hari sam jag mahan vastu nahi, prem panth so panth, Ram bhakt sam sajjan nahi, Gita sam nahi granth. Okay, so there is nothing greater than Hari, that is Rama or Krishna, and prema panth so panth, the path of love is the true path of religion. Ram bhakt sam sajjan nahi, there cannot be a sajjan greater than a Ram bhakt, and Gita sam nahi granth, no book greater than the Bhagavad Gita. Okay, next Tulsidas. तुलसी परिहरि हरि हरहि पामर पूजहि भूत, अंत फजीहत होएंगे गणिका कैसे पूत. So Tulsi is saying, Tulsi parihari hari harahi, he who discards Rama and Shiva, hari harahi, and starts worshipping tombs and dargahs and bhoot and all kinds of ghosts and all kinds of stupid, idiotic, psychopathic gods. I don't have to name them, you already know who I am referring to. Tulsi parihari hari harahi, pamar pujahi bhoot, ant fajihat hoenge. They will be destroyed, they will destroy themselves, they are condemning themselves to perdition, eternal hell, okay, while living here on earth itself. Ant fajihat hoenge ganika kaise put. Now ganika means a whore, a prostitute. So ganika kaise put, I'll have to use a euphemism now. Basically it means a son of a bitch. So the euphemisms are whoreson, hasty pudding, and in Telugu, in all our regional languages, the words are very colorful. So he who does not worship either Shiva or Rama, remember the Vibhuti Yogam 11th chapter. So if you are not worshipping Rama or Shiva, of course, Devi, Ganapati, Muruga, Kartikeya, Shanmata Sthapanacharya, Adi Shankaracharya established. So when you already have so many manifestations of Krishna, all Hindu gods are manifestations of Krishna. So if you have abandoned them and if you are worshipping some tomb, dargah, then you are Ganika Kese Put. That is what Tulsidas is saying. So don't get angry with me now. Next, number 10. Tharo Ram Hriday mein bahar kyun bhatke? That is a Rajasthani saying. Tharo Ram Hriday mein bahar kyun bhatke? Rama is within your heart. Why the hell are you bloody wasting your time gallivanting outside? 11. कहत कबीर चेतिरे अंधा, सत राम झूठा सब धंधा. Number 12. जिहनर राम भगत नहीं साधी, जनमत कस न मुये अपराधी. Kabir. He who doesn't chant Ram Nam, why did he not die the moment he was born? That is the ultimate condemnation Kabir is leveling against such people. जिहनर राम भगति नहीं साधी, जनमत कस न मुये अपराधी. नेक्स्ट 13. हम कहे हैं निडर होए कर सच्ची बात, ये तब की और अब की, रामानंद रईदास बिन करते तुगलक लोडी सुन्नत सबकी. Ramanand was the disciple of Sri Ramanujacharya. And Kabir, Raidas, Meera, all of them. Of course, Meera was the disciple of Raidas. So Raidas, Kabir, Dhanna, Pippa, so many disciples of Ramanand. So Kabir was a great Ram Bhakt. And they told us lies that he was a Nirguni Bhakt. Next, Kavi Bhushan said, काशी की कला जाती मथुरा में मस्जिद बसती, अगर मेरे शिवराय न होते सुन्नत सबकी होती. Next, Kabir. Kabir says, ना जानू तेरा साहब कैसा है, मस्जिद भीतर मुल्ला पुकारे, क्या तेरा साहेब बहरा है. So Kabir is asking a rhetorical question. Why are you screaming from the mosque? Is your God deaf? Na janu tera sahib kaisa. I do not know what God looks like, but why are you screaming like this? Is he deaf? चींटी के पग नूपुर बाजे वो भी साहेब सुनता है. Kabir then goes on to say, if an ant were to wear anklets, God will be able to hear even that. So why the hell are you screaming like this? Creating noise pollution. Next Kabir says, okay, now we will, this is from Linga Purana. Hitva Sri Rama Namedam Tenara Pashavasmuta. Vyasa is saying, he who discards Ram Nam, he is a beast. Hitva Sri Rama Namedam Tenara Pashavasmruta. Then Manu says, Saptakoti Mahamantra Chitta Vibhrama Karakaha Eka Eva Paro Mantra Rama Ityakshara Dvayam. So many mantras, they are all only capable of giving you a headache. So the only mantra, potent mantra, is Ramanam. Next, Tulsi is saying, Tulsi jo pe Ram so nahin sahaj sneha. Tulsi jo pe Ram so nahin sahaj sneha. He who doesn't have spontaneous, naturally inclination toward Ram Bhakti, Tulsi jo pe Ram so nahin sahaj sneha. Moond mudayo badahi bhand bayo tajgehi. He is a bhand. Even after shaving his head and undertaking all kinds of vratas and all that, so he is a bhand. Now the word bhand is sometimes used as an abusive, term, expletive. But actually bhand is a kulam. I am not using the word caste because we don't have caste in Hinduism, remember. In fact, it is a kula vritti. It's a performing artist, Bahurupia. In fact, a national award winner is also there. Okay, some Vishishtam Paramveer or something, some award was given. Okay, so bhand. But sometimes the word bhand is used as to mean a drunkard, totally intoxicated, or a bloody fool. So, and sometimes it is even used with a more vulgar connotation. So Tulsi is again condemning. Tulsi jo pe Ram so nahin sahaj sneha moond mudayo badahi bhandvayo tajgehi. Okay, and here is one more. Tulsi is condemning all those people who go to those dargahs. He says, Lahi aankh kab aandhre. When did the blind get eyes? Baaj poot kab lai. When did a barren woman manage to give birth to a child? Kab kodi kaya lagi. When did a leper get a healthy body? Jag Bahraich jai. And bloody fools are going to that dargah in Bahraich, you see. There is a tomb. He is a Ghazi Mian, Ghazi. Remember, the word Ghazi basically means a person who has killed at least one infidel. And I think actually it is 100. Kafir wajibul qatl. The kafirs deserve to be killed. So this is a very strange philosophy. And so a person who has killed, and many foolish Hindus are going there to pray to their own murderers. The very chap who murdered our forefathers, these fellows are going and worshipping. So Tulsidas is condemning all of them. I am reading it again for you. Lahi aankh kab aandhre, baanj put kab lai, kab kodi kaya lagi, jag bharech jai. And finally, this is the sledgehammer blow. Listen carefully. Kabir is saying, Kabira apan Ram kahi. Kabira apan Ram kahi. You must say Ram Ram. Great people, Jai Shri Ram. Auran Ram kahai. And get people to say Ram Ram. Get people to greet Jai Shri Ram. Kabira apan Ram kahi. और न राम कहाय, जामुख राम न नीसरै. Even those who are averse to chanting Ram Nam, get them also to chant Ram Nam. Now how you do this is up to you. Jamukh Ram na neesare, tamukh Ram kahay. Again, कबीरा आपन राम कही और न राम कहाय. जामुख राम न नीसरै, तामुख Ram kahay. So somehow or the other, without offending people, get them to say Ram, Ram Ram, Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram.